Hello, I'd like to show you how to look for a la carte workshops in the Online Learning Consortium offerings. First thing you need to do is go to onlinelearningconsortium.org. And I wish there were a simple calendar interface, but there isn't. So here's what you do to find the workshops. Go to Learn and then Institute Schedule. Now this will give you a listing of all the workshops that are available, but it does not list the dates for when they start. So if you were interested in adaptive learning fundamentals and courseware exploration, you click on the name of that workshop. Then it will give you the dates that it's running. And if you want to know a little bit more about it, click on Details. That will open up a new tab and show you the details. If you are looking for workshops as electives for your certificate course, check this line right here. Eligible for online teaching certificate elective? Yes, so it is available. So I'm going to go back into my results, and I want to show you a couple of ways that you can filter results to get what you're looking for. Of course, there's the type. So if you're looking for the certificate programs, the one we kind of advertised in our session was this online teaching certificate program. And there you can see that the next cohort is October 4th. I'll go back to results. If you're interested in the Mastery Series, you can see which Mastery Series are available. If you want to know the dates, click on the Mastery Series and it will give you the cohort dates. Back to results. You can also look for different tracks if you're interested in any of those. And then we have also by month and self-paced. So self-paced you can take at any time. There is no specific cohort date for them. So creating effective assessments, self-paced workshop. I could recommend this one. I haven't taken it, but I bet it's pretty good. Let's look at the details. And you can see the topics that are covered. So here are the learning objectives for this workshop. And that's that. Let's go back to the Institute schedule and the results. And then if maybe you know you have a window sometime in November where you might be interested, you can filter for those workshops that happen in November. There's another one for creating effective assessments, creating rubrics. That looks good. Ooh. Designing gamified learning environments. I think I took that workshop. I enjoyed it very much. Increasing interaction and engagement. I think that's one that I mentioned in my PowerPoint. If you just want some basics, these new to online essentials are very good. If you haven't had any prior experience before taking the OLC certificate course, the new to online is a prerequisite. So there are a couple of ways that you can filter these examples. Let's see what happens in December. Designing a flipped classroom, managing faculty workload. That looks really interesting to me. That's December 6th through 12th, right around finals time. Maybe that's not the best. Well, I guess that's final grading time. That might not be the best time if you're trying to manage your faculty workload to add a workshop if you know that you're also going to be having all of those end of semester duties, but it's an option. All right, I hope that helps. Again, a reminder, I am happy through CITL to pay for many of these a la carte workshops. If you're interested in the OLC certificate training, do please reach out. We'll see if we can't get you in this next cohort, and I'll be sure to alert you when the next cohort is advertised so you know the dates for that. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.